Hey, what's up guys? So I just wanted to do this quick video on a clarification of big O and time complexity. This is another short that CodingJesus made, and he's talking about the time complexity, and he's basically ragging on PirateSoftware again. But in the comments, this guy says he's doing a quadratic big O for every frame is a baffling choice, and then CodingJesus says that it's a big O and 3, which is cubic time complexity. However, I made this little file here to show some examples. This is big O in linear time, which just runs right here linearly based on n. And this is a quadratic one, a bubble sort implementation in Python. And it's quadratic because n scales with the inner loop right here, which is very important. And then for the cubic, which is what CodingJesus is saying right here, this would be an example of a big O cubic implementation. And the important part here is because this range is nested and it scales with this n value. That's what actually makes it cubic time. And for the entire point of this video, so this is the infamous source drawing light code that PirateSoftware used, right? And it's, if you look down here, the repeat light effuse, this light diffuse variable is a constant. He sets it somewhere in his code to like 3 or 5 or something. It's not, it doesn't scale with any of these inner variables. It's constant. This loop right here is a constant time. So this is technically it's technically quadratic. So it's not cubic. And so I'm just trying to make this video to let everybody know, because look how he says it's cubic time, and then this guy says bro thinks he was cooking but turned out cooked, and now they're all bashing him because CodingJesus is making it seem like his code is worse, but it's not even the correct time complexity. So this whole thing just is so unfair. I mean, I just don't know how to explain it, but it's like it's not even the correct big O notation. So I just want to make this video and let everybody know. Thanks for watching.